Ever wonder what the biggest players in crypto are doing and how their moves can impact your own investments? Today, we're diving into DEXTools to uncover how you can track whale wallets and gain valuable market insights. First, head over to DEXTools and familiarize yourself with the interface. We'll be focusing on a couple key features, the Big Swap Explorer and the wallet tracking tool. The Big Swap Explorer is your first stop. This tool showcases the largest transactions happening across various DEXs in real time. Keep an eye out for unusually large buys or sells, as these could signal whale activity. Now, to track specific wallets, you'll first need their addresses. You can often find these through blockchain explorers by looking at transactions involving tokens you're interested in, or from community discussions about notable investors. Once you have a whale wallet address, simply paste it into the search bar on DEXTools. This will bring up the wallet's profile, showing all its holdings and recent trading activity. Pay close attention to the tokens they're buying and selling, the liquidity pools they're interacting with, and the size of their transactions. Analyzing these movements can give you clues about potential market trends and upcoming price swings. Remember, while whale tracking can be a valuable tool, it's important to combine it with your own research and analysis. Don't blindly follow whale movements, but use them as one piece of the puzzle to inform your trading decisions. That's it. Now you're equipped to start tracking whale wallets on DEXTools and gain a deeper understanding of the crypto market. Happy trading!